What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is me, Joshua, from HTML with Joshua, and in this video we are going to be learning what is lists. Specifically, we're going to be learning what is ordered and unordered list. So let's get into this video. The first thing that you need to know is what's the difference between ordered and unordered list. It's simple, as it says, one is ordered and one is unordered. In the sense, one has order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other doesn't. Other is just some dots or points. So let's see how it is. So first, let's start with ordered list. The ordered list, there's a tag called OL, that is the ordered list tag, and there is a list tag, that is LI. And inside this is one of the ordered lists. So the computer will name this first order list 1. And first, let's get the heading ready. We imagine like you're typing about hobbies. And over here we can just type what are my hobbies. We can just type like basketball. The same, we can do another list which the computer will recognize as 2, and it will say that it is 2, not 1. So the second one, the next one I'm doing. So we can go like games, some games, and we can also go like, so this is the third one. So as you can see, the first one is done, second one is done, the third one, so the computer will recognize it as 3 because it's in an ordered list. And we can just go like, okay, so there are 3 of the ordered list that comes under the order. So it is going to say 1, 2, and 3. So save this and open the file in Google, and what you will have, if you refresh, is hobbies, and there is 1, 2, and 3 that the computer recognizes it as, and you have your hobbies: basketball, game, and art. Okay, now let's look at unordered lists. Unordered lists are simple and easy to do. It's very simple. It's just the same thing, but there's a different tag. So, unordered list is basically, instead of OL, that is ordered list, there's an unordered list, that is UL, like that. And after that, it's basically the same thing. We can just go this, I'm just gonna copy this, it's also gonna come under hobbies, and this, because it's under an unordered list, what the computer is not gonna recognize the values of this one. So it's not gonna be 1, 2, or 3, and instead of it, it's just blank. I'll show you what I mean. I'll save it, refresh it, and as you can see, there's not 1, 2, and 3 bullet points. So that is ordered list, and this is unordered list. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was actually useful for you. And if it was, drop a like button and subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me, and that's it for me, and goodbye.